Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Nwaeze. On this channel, I share tips and educational content to help you make money online and also grow your business online. So sit back, relax, and watch this video to the end. Because in this video, I'll be showing you how to use your social media traffic to make money online with ease. Many of you spend hours every single day on this platform without earning a dime. My question now is, if you're going to spend your own time and data subscription on social media, why not at least earn something from it for your upkeep? It's not a laughing matter. I'm very serious about this. This video is for everyone working with social media traffic, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and every other platform. All you need is a smart link from Monetag, a special link designed to take visitors to the most relevant offers, thereby making you more money because no traffic will be lost. For those who don't know what Monetag is an ad network used in monetizing all sorts of traffic, especially social media traffic, be it your blog, your social media handle, or your newsletter. If you've dreamt of making serious money online, we're talking $500 a day or even $1,000 plus every single day without having a complex website, tons of technical skills, or even your own products. All you need, like I said earlier, is your Monetag Smartlink. Don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly where and how to use this smart link later on in this video, so make sure to keep watching this video to the end. Now, why should you choose the Monetag Smartlink? There are many smart links from different platforms and CPA network. Unlike other platforms, Monetag has been in the market for many years and they work with thousands of publishers worldwide, which means competitive CPM rates and good payouts for publishers, ads for users from any location in the world, fast payouts starting from $5, 24/7 support for both publishers and advertisers. Before we dive in, let me ask you, have you struggled with traditional monetization? Maybe you've got a decent following on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or even a growing Telegram group, but you just can't figure out how to turn these eyeballs into cash. Perhaps you've tried affiliate marketing, but found it tough to match offers to your audience, leading to low conversions. These are common roadblocks, and honestly, they've held back so many creators and marketers. Now, what if I told you there's a platform that can completely bypass all these issues, allow you to simply get a link, share it, and start earning? No complex campaign, just pure efficient monetization. That's exactly what Monetag offers with its incredible smart link technology. If you don't have a Monetag account yet, check the description of this video for the sign up link. Click on it and complete your registration. Now, make sure you're using your real data during registration. Otherwise, you won't be able to withdraw your earnings later. This is very, very important. Now, here's a disclaimer. I have a relationship with Monetag, so if you sign up with the link in the description of this video, I'll get a small commission. Alright, so let's talk about the smart link feature that this platform offers. Think of a smart link as your ultimate monetization tool. Instead of you having to search for specific offers, test them, and manually link them, Monetag's AI tool does all the heavy lifting. To get one unique link, when someone clicks on that link, Monetag's AI will analyze the person's geolocation, their device, their browser, and even their behavioral pattern to now automatically redirect them to the absolute highest converting and best paying offers available at the moment for that specific user. This means that your traffic is always hitting the perfect offer, thereby maximizing your earn completely on autopilot. When you log into your dashboard, this is how it will look like. You will see your direct link here on the left menu. The direct link is the same thing as your smart link. Just click on Get New Smart Link or Get New Direct Link. It will be created for you automatically. Now, still on the left menu is the Statistics tab. Here you will find data on CPM, earnings, and impression. The payment section shows your earnings and your available payouts option. You can also make money with the referral program. You will receive 5% commission for every publisher that registers with your link. Now, here are the advantages and benefits of using Monetag Smartlink. Number one, you don't need a website to start making money. All you need is to copy your smart link, share it where you want. The more people click on it, the more money you make. Simple. Number two, highest earning per click. The EPC is very high because the Monetag AI is consistently optimizing to give you the best possible return for every click. Number three, you can monetize any traffic. If you have a massive following on TikTok, for instance, you can share your smart link on your bio. If you are running a successful YouTube channel, put it in the description of your video. If you have an active Facebook group, a Discord server, or even an email list, you can share your smart link there and get more clicks. Now, this is not just about making a few bucks. It's about building a consistent, scalable income stream from traffic you already have or can easily acquire. So now, let's talk about how to get started. As we've talked about what Monetag is, the smart link feature, the benefits, and where you can share your smart link. So how do you get started as a beginner? Simply click on the sign up link in the description of this video. This page will come up. Click on the button that says Start Earning. On the next page, click on Create Account with Email or Continue with Google. Now, whichever one is easier with you, go with it. Enter your name, your email address, your country of residence, then enter your address. Once you've done that, the Continue button will display. You can go ahead and click on Continue, then scroll down and fill the rest of the form. What do you monetize? Select social traffic. Then enter your social media profile link. This can be Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, etc. Now, this page says, how did you hear about us? Simply enter YouTube. If you work with other ads, you can go ahead and list them in the provided space. If you don't, then enter none and proceed. Accept the terms and conditions, then complete the captcha and click on sign up to submit your registration form. Please make sure to enter your correct details during registration. This is to ensure your withdrawal goes smoothly later on. Go ahead and verify your email address. Congratulations, you now have a Monetag account. Very simple, right? Now, after your registration is complete, go ahead and log into your dashboard and let's go straight to getting your Smartlink so you can start earning immediately. On the left-hand menu, you will see a section for direct link. Click on it and then click on add direct link. A new Smartlink will be created for you automatically. Go ahead and copy the link. Start sharing the link and in a few hours, you start seeing the results on your dashboard. Click on the statistics menu to see your progress. I know I've covered this before, but some people will still ask, what do I do with the Smartlink next? Well, you can place your Smartlink on your blog, your website, or your landing page. Don't worry if you don't have money to build a professional blog. Simply use platforms such as Medium, Google Sites, blogger.com, etc. There are so many options out there. Find them all and use as many as you can. This will increase your chance of earning more. You can use AI such as ChatGPT to write articles, post them on this platform, and include your Smartlink. Whenever someone clicks on it, you earn. This is an example article that I wrote on Blogspot. Simply highlight any text you want, bolding it, and then click on this link icon. Go to your Monetag dashboard from the direct link menu, copy your Smartlink, then come back to the post and paste your your Monetag Smartlink. You can do that on any text you want and then save and publish it. Now, anytime someone reads your article and clicks on the link, you get paid. As simple as that. If you prefer to use social media, then write series of posts on Twitter, Facebook, Thread, etc. Always make sure to include your Smartlink in the post that you're making so that anyone that clicks on it, you'll make money. How the Smartlink works is very simple. When a user clicks on your Smartlink, Monetag AI will automatically redirect them to the most relevant offer available to that particular user, no matter the country where the person is. And when this happens, you earn money for every single click. So before I conclude this video, I would like to mention these best practices to ensure your success. First of all, do not spam. Never just drop your link anywhere. Provide value first, then drop your link naturally. Number 2, always use a clear call to action. Always tell people exactly why they should click. Number 3, transparency. While you don't need to explain how Monetag works, you still need to be mindful of platform rules, such as disclosing affiliate link where required, just like I did earlier on in this video. Number 4, targeted traffic. The more relevant your audience is to making money online, deals, and general opportunities, the better your Smartlink will perform. Number 5, consistency. Don't just post it once and forget it. Keep your Smartlink visible where your audience hang out. By following these simple guidelines, you're on your way to consistent earnings. Monetag is a great platform that has been helping a lot of people earn daily income from social media. They are known for reliable and on-time payments, which is crucial for any online earner. So what are you waiting for? Visit the link in the description of this video right now, sign up. After sign up, grab your Smartlink as illustrated and start sharing. You literally have nothing to lose and a whole new income to gain. If this video opened your eyes to new possibilities, please do me a huge favor. Smash that like button and let YouTube know that this content is valuable. Leave a comment below, let me know your thoughts. Share this video with anyone who is looking to make money online. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my future updates. Thank you so much for watching. Now go out there, get your Smartlink and start monetizing that traffic. And I will see you in the next video.